Have you ever wondered that the secret to a sharper memory, better focus, and even a happier mood could be hiding right in your kitchen? Imagine boosting your brain power not with expensive supplements or complicated routines, but with simple, everyday vegetables like cabbage and spinach. Today, we're diving into how these humble greens are not just food, they are your brain's best allies. From improving memory to protecting against age-related decline, these vegetables are packed with nutrients that your brain absolutely loves. And the best part, they're easy to add to your meals, affordable and delicious. Let's start with spinach, often called the king of leafy greens. What makes spinach so special for your brain? It's loaded with folate, vitamin K, and antioxidants, tiny nutrients that have massive effects on your neurons. Folate is critical for producing neurotransmitters, the chemicals that carry signals between your brain cells. Without enough folate, your brain can feel sluggish, your memory can weaken, and your mood can drop. Vitamin K, on the other hand, supports a protein called sphingolipids, which are essential for forming and maintaining the structure of your brain cells. Think of it as building stronger highways for your thoughts to travel faster and smoother. Spinach also contains powerful antioxidants, including lutein and beta-carotene. These antioxidants protect your brain from oxidative stress, a kind of damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are like tiny vandals in your body, slowly damaging cells, and the brain is especially vulnerable. By eating spinach regularly, you're essentially arming your brain with a shield, keeping it healthier for longer and potentially lowering the risk of cognitive decline as you age. Now, cabbage might surprise you. Most people think of it as just a crunchy salad vegetable, but cabbage is a powerhouse when it comes to brain health. It's rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and a group of compounds called glucosinolates. Vitamin C is not just for your immune system. It's crucial for producing neurotransmitters and protecting neurons from oxidative stress. This means cabbage helps your brain communicate efficiently and keeps your mental sharpness intact. Glucosinolates are particularly fascinating because research suggests they can reduce inflammation and even support the brain's detox processes. Essentially, cabbage helps keep your brain clean and alert so your thinking stays clear. Adding these vegetables to your diet doesn't have to be complicated. Spinach can be tossed into smoothies, lightly sauteed, or added to soups, while cabbage works great in salads, stir-fries, or even fermented as sauerkraut for added gut and brain benefits. The nutrients in these vegetables aren't just isolated. Many work together to enhance your brain function, improve memory, and even support your mood. Let's dig a little deeper into how these vegetables actually boost your brain. Our brain cells, or neurons, are constantly communicating through signals, and these signals rely on healthy cell membranes, neurotransmitters, and proper blood flow. Spinach and cabbage help with all three. The folate and vitamin K in spinach support neurotransmitter production, helping your brain send messages faster. Meanwhile, the antioxidants in both vegetables protect these delicate neurons from damage, keeping your thinking sharp and your memory reliable. One of the most exciting areas of research is how these greens affect cognitive aging. Studies show that people who regularly eat leafy greens, like spinach, have slower rates of cognitive decline as they get older. That's because the nutrients in these vegetables help maintain the structure of the brain and fight inflammation. Inflammation in the brain is linked to everything from forgetfulness to serious conditions like Alzheimer's disease. By including cabbage and spinach in your diet, you're not just feeding your body, you're feeding your brain's resilience, helping it stay strong well into your later years. Another interesting benefit is mental clarity and focus. You know that mid-afternoon brain fog that makes it hard to concentrate. Part of that can be caused by oxidative stress and nutrient deficiencies in the brain. Spinach and cabbage, loaded with antioxidants and essential vitamins, help counteract this by improving blood flow and reducing cellular stress. Simply put, these vegetables keep your neurons firing efficiently so you can think faster, focus longer, and feel more alert without reaching for caffeine or sugar. But here's a fun fact. Many people don't realize These vegetables also impact your mood. Neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate happiness and motivation, need nutrients like folate, vitamin C, and B vitamins to function properly. Spinach and cabbage are rich sources of these nutrients, meaning a simple salad or stir fry can actually help your brain produce more feel good chemicals. It's like feeding your brain happiness on a plate. Now, the key to getting the most from these vegetables is preparation. Lightly cooking spinach can increase the availability of certain antioxidants, while fermenting cabbage as sauerkraut not only adds probiotics for your gut, but also supports the gut-brain connection. The health of your gut plays a huge role in brain function, influencing mood, cognition, and even sleep. So when you eat cabbage and spinach thoughtfully, you're hitting multiple angles, protecting your neurons, enhancing neurotransmitters, and supporting the gut-brain axis all at once. So how do you make these brain-boosting vegetables a regular part of your life without feeling like you're stuck eating boring salads every day? The key is variety and creativity. Spinach can be blended into smoothies with fruits like bananas and berries for a sweet, nutrient-packed start to your day. You can also sauté it lightly with garlic and olive oil, toss it into omelettes, or add it to soups and stews. Even a handful in your sandwich or wrap can give your brain a quick nutrient punch. Cabbage is incredibly versatile too. Try it raw in slaws with a little lemon and olive oil, stir, fried with spices and a dash of soy sauce, or roasted for a crunchy, flavorful side dish. Fermented cabbage, like sauerkraut or kimchi, adds probiotics that support gut health, which in turn supports brain health. You don't need huge portions. Just incorporating a serving or two daily can make a noticeable difference over time. Consistency is what really matters. The brain doesn't change overnight, but by regularly giving it the nutrients it needs, you're setting yourself up for better memory, sharper focus, and improved mood. Pairing these vegetables with other brain-friendly foods like nuts, seeds, and berries can create a powerful, synergistic effect that helps your neurons communicate more efficiently and protects them from age-related damage. And here's something many people overlook. Lifestyle matters too. Hydration, quality sleep, regular exercise, and stress management all amplify the effects of brain-healthy foods. Think of spinach and cabbage as essential tools, but your lifestyle choices are the foundation. When you combine these greens with a balanced routine, your brain's capacity for learning, creativity, and problem-solving skyrockets. Finally, remember that eating vegetables isn't just about short-term boosts. It's an investment in your long-term cognitive health. Every meal with spinach or cabbage is like a small deposit in your brain's health bank, helping you maintain clarity, focus, and happiness for years to come. It's simple, it's natural, and it's incredibly effective. So next time you see those leafy greens in the market, don't just pass by. Think of them as little superheroes ready to fuel your brain and change the way you think, focus, and feel every single day. So the next time you're planning a meal, remember that your brain doesn't just need calories, it needs the right nutrients to perform at its best. Spinach and cabbage may seem simple, even ordinary, but packed inside them are the tools to boost memory, sharpen focus, protect against aging, and even lift your mood. By making these vegetables a regular part of your diet, you're giving your brain the support it needs to thrive, not just today, but for years to come. Eating for your brain doesn't have to be complicated, expensive, or boring. With a little creativity and consistency, you can transform your meals into powerful brain-boosting tools. Your neurons will thank you, your mind will feel clearer, and over time, you'll notice the difference in your memory, attention, and overall mental sharpness. So go ahead, grab that bunch of spinach, chop up some cabbage, and give your brain the gift it deserves. Because sometimes the simplest choices, like these humble vegetables, can have the biggest impact on your life. Feed your brain and it will repay you with focus, clarity, and a sharper, healthier mind.